My name is Mutekar Mahima. I will give a speech on a Republic Day. India celebrates Republic Day on January 26. We annually with a lot of pride and fervor. It is that day important to every Indian citizen. It makes the day when India truly independence and embrace democracy. In other words, it celebrates the day which our country constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. Almost 3 years post independent become a sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic. While we got a independent from British rule on August 15, 1947, our country was still lacking a concrete constitution. Moreover, India also did not have any experts and political powers which would help in the functioning of the state's affairs smoothly. Up until then, the 1935 Government of India Act was basically modified in order to govern. However, that act was bent towards the colony rule. Therefore, there was a dire need to from an exclusive constitution that would relieve all that India stand for. Thank you.
Mataram, to all respected teachers and principals, I would like to speak about Mahatma Gandhi at Republic Day. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi said those who talk about separation of religion and political do not know that what religion is. The Champaran Satyagraha of 1970 was the first Satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi gave the title of Nightingale of India to Sarojini Naidu on the account of beautiful rhyming word of her poem. The Gopal Krishna Gokhale, the famous moderate leader, was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. When Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1950 on the advice of his political guru Gopal Krishna Gokhale, he spent his first year touring throughout the country to know real India. Gandhiji believed that the country can only prosper if we make the village economically independent through cottage industry. This was the principle behind Khadi movement, behind Gandhiji urging that the Indians spin their own clothing rather than buy British goods. Mahatma Gandhi started Dandi March at 12 March 1930 from Sabarmati Ashram.
Principal madam and my respected sir madam and my everything assault I would to say thank you. I would to say thank you on this day. Talk something on my Republic Day. My name is Tanmay and I read in class 6. In New Delhi, which is India capital, imbues processing and lead by Army, Navy and Air Force. VIP from British nation has been visitors. Red Fort as the national flag of hostages. Its largest number individuation equipment has to watch festival. On this day, a message on soldiers. Message on soldier equipment. Republic Day Republic Day celebrate in Republic Day celebrate in 26 January 26 January concertly in India. In this year in this year 1950 concentrative format in India in India secure domestic nation are concert on this day workplace and insulation stay close national ocean on this day are national oceans school university other institute organization on
Hello and good morning to my respected teachers, principal and my dear friends. My name is Shivi from class 7th A English medium. Today I am standing here to deliver you a speech on Republic Day. Before we forward, I would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day. So our first topic is So today is 72nd Republic Day of our country. On 26 January 1950, our country get its constitution. So then we celebrate 26 January as Republic Day. Republic means that the citizen of the country holds the supreme power to elect the representatives. The Constitution gives all of us the same right without any difference in color, religion or language. On Republic Day, flag hosting ceremonies and parades by armed forces and school children are held in different parts of the countries. And the grandest and most important of these parades are held in Rajnath, New Delhi, which showcases a multi-hued image of the country's rich culture, heritage and military prowesses. The Constituent Assembly made the Constitution of India. The chairman of Constituent Assembly is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
I would like to say good morning to my respected principal, sir, madam and my dear colleagues. As we all know that we get together here to celebrate our 72nd Republic Day of our nation. This is a very auspicious occasion for all of us. Since 1915, we are celebrating Republic Day every year with lots of joy and happiness. Before starting the celebration, our chief guest of the Republic Day hosts the national flag of India. Then we all stand up and sing our national anthem, which is a symbol unity and peace in India. Our national anthem is written by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. Our national flag has 3 colors and a wheel in the center with 24 equal sticks. All the 3 colors of our Indian national flag have some meaning. Top saffron color of our flag denotes the strength and courage of our country. The middle white color indicates peace. However, lower green color indicates the growth and prosperity. There is a navy blue wheel in the center having 24 equal smokes, indicating Dharma Chakra of the great King Ashoka. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January as the Indian Constitution came into force at this day in 1950. At Republic Day celebration, a big arrangement takes place by the government of India. in New Delhi at Rajpath in front of the India Gate. Every year, a chief guest is invited to fulfill the purpose of saying Atithi Devo Bhava, as well as enhance the glory of the occasion. Indian Army do Republic Day parade and take salute of the national flag. There is also a big exhibition of the Indian culture and tradition takes place by the different Indian states to show the university in diversity in India. Thank you.
Today all of us are here to celebrate 72 Republic Day of our country. Today every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January because the Constitution of India came to force on this day in 1950. This day reminds us of our freedom struggle and how the great freedom fighters of our country sacrificed their lives to get us the Punas work. It is because of their struggle that today we are living in a democratic country where each citizen has right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Today is the day to reframe our commitment of unity in diversity, fraternity and equality among all our citizens. I would like to wind up my speech followed by a moment of silence for the great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives so that we can live in a democratic nation. Thank you.
हे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, हे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, हे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, हे वतन मेरे वतन, हे वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पूछा मैंने जहाँ भी बुनियाद रहे तू, पूछा मैंने जहाँ भी बुनियाद रहे तू, हे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, हे वतन मेरे वतन, हे वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँखें आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँखें आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साद रहे तू, हे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, हे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, हे वतन, हे वतन, हे वतन, हे वतन मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन।
Vande Mataram, respected principals, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Naina Chaudhary. I am here today to speak a few words about the Republic Day. First of all, Happy Republic Day to everyone. Today we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day of our nation. On 26 January 1950, our country get its constitution. We get our independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule. However, the Constitution of India come into force on 26 January 1950. Since then, we celebrate
Republic Day every year. Republic means that the citizen of the country holds the supreme power to elect representative. In the past 72 years, our country has developed a lot of development. Some drawbacks have also arisen, such as unemployment, corruption, etc. Let us play today to find solution to these problems and making our country the best country of the world. Thank you. Vande Mataram.
Good morning and Vande Mataram to all my respective teachers and principal. My name is Patel Manjusha. I am the student of Gyanjot Vidyalaya School studying in standard 8th A from English medium. As we all know, we have assembled here to celebrate 72nd Republic Day of our nation. The Republic Day is celebrated each year on the day 26th January. And this day has some special significance throughout India's entire existence. Constitutively, the national occasion is commanded with lots of joy and bliss to make this occasion more beautiful and memorable. It was on 26 January 1950 when the Constitution of India came into impact, and the D-Day is celebrated as the National Day to recognize and to celebrate the occasion. We all are aware with that India got its independence on August 15, 1947, but yet this country didn't have its very own constitution. Rather, it was represented under the laws executed by the British. Nonetheless, after numerous consultations and revisions, an advisory group headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar presented a draft of the Indian Constitution, which was adjusted on 26 November 1949 and authoritatively became effective on 26 January 1950. Republic means the power which is supreme. It also means the independence. So, a resident living in a republic country appreciates the rights to choose their delegates or political pioneer to lead the nation. In this way, the Republic of India, each resident appreciates equivalent rights independent of status or sex he or she belongs to. And also on this day, ceremonious processions happens to at the Rajpath, which are proceeded as a tribute to India. The president hosts the national flag and addresses the country with Republic Day speech by encouraging words to everybody in the nation present there and others as well. Every school, colleges and offices celebrate the Republic Day and take interest in it and show their energetic enthusiasm. Resident in the nation wishes one another would bring the festive vibe and traditionally scatters the significance of the day. The day is all about enthusiasm, respect, understanding the sacrifices and hugely celebrating the freedom. Thank you very much. Vande Mataram.
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये